Alright guys, so this website you're seeing right here, this landing page for CPA offer was created with HTML on ChatGPT, and as you can see, this is the HTML I used to create this landing page right here. And if you stay with me in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the step by step on how you can generate this type of script from ChatGPT and then use it to get a very nice landing page for your CPA offers. Okay, so it's very simple. Look at how everything works here. If I put in my name here now, and then I put in my Gmail right here and click here that says continue, and once I click on continue, it will direct me to another form offer where I'll be able to fill out the form, and all those forms are only on this place. Okay, so before they will be directed to our CPA offer. Okay, so this is another form they will fill, submit your opinion so that everything will look legit, and then it says write few things here, and once they finish writing everything, click here that says mark, they will click here that says submit, and as you can see, this thing popped up right now. It says you qualify for $100, and once they click on this that says get an offer, they will be directed to our CPA offers. Now the next thing you're going to be doing, if you notice, I'm using this website that's called Breezy for this website, and I did everything as simple as is. The only thing I did here is click here that says plus, and then click here that says website, I click here that says create. So now I want you to make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can complete the CPA challenge that we are doing right here. So on this one, I'm going to be using the HTML now, and I come over here and say click edit, and once I click on edit, it will come over to where I'll be able to pick templates. But in this case, I'm not going to be picking any templates. I'll be doing everything plain and direct. Okay, so I click edit now, so I'll be able to do my job, and we're not going to be using templates. We're going to be using all this HTML right here. So let's click on new chat on ChatGPT, and then we're going to ask ChatGPT to generate a form for us. If you don't have anything in mind, the only thing you're going to do is to get a preview of your offer landing page, and then get the link and send ChatGPT to copy everything on that link and generate website like that. As you can see, everything I ask here, let me show you some of the questions I've been asking the ChatGPT right here. Okay, so I click on this one. This is, I said, generate similar landing page. Okay, so this is my, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is where I told ChatGPT this is my offer landing page here, preview. So this is how it looks, and if you open this thing now, you see how the website looks. It looks exactly like my own. I say generate the website HTML code for this website to be like this. Okay, so you generated this thing, and I checked it out. It did not give me exact thing I want, and I say create all of them and make it a complete web page. Okay, so it created both the CSS and the HTML code. Everything comes together, and as you can see, once I copy this thing right now, it will show a complete website. Now I did not get what I want. I say write the HTML code, and I'll copy the HTML code after editing them, and then say white in color and bold. So this is how it looks now after it has finished writing it. Look at it right there. So let me just use this one. Make sure you follow all this prompt right here, this type of prompt. If you miss any prompt, comment below, and I'm going to send you the prompt you will be using. Okay, so come over to your Breezy Cloud and then add page, and then all you have to do is to ignore all these pages right here, all these templates here, and then choose new one. So create a new template, empty one, create from scratch. So click here, and then you'll be able to come over here. So click on this one, sorry. Okay, so click here to open a new page for yourself. I think there is an error here, and we'll fix it out now. Okay, all right, so you must not use ChatGPT for this. You can use anyone. Okay, so you can use both your Google site or any. Okay, so let me just go back and know what is wrong with this one. I think there is an error here, and all I have to do, let me just go back, and I have to select and create new one, or we can just select this one, and we will show you how we do this. This is the one I used here that says reward center. Okay, so this reward center right here, let me just use it and open a new page for this, and then we'll do it again. Okay, so as you can see, everything is loading. I want you to pay attention. Okay, this is the one I did before, and I want to do the next one down here. So all I have to do, let me just add one block here. Okay, create your own here, as simple as that. So this is it, and I have to click here, and all I have to do is come to this search, and I have to search for embed. So the embed is gonna carry the code. Okay, so I have to add the embed right here. So this is the embed. Click on it, and then click on this plus sign, come over to this code, and then paste your code right here. This is the code now, and everything is looking good. Okay, so this is the one I created right here. So if you want to create something like this, then it's as easy as that. So come down here, adjust everything for yourself, and then you are good to go. So this is how simple it is. If you want to edit anything right here, the only thing you have to do again is to click here, and then have to come over to this place, this HTML code, click on this, and you will start editing all of them. If you want to edit all these things here, lorem plus all this empty something, all you have to do, click on Ctrl F so you can search for them and edit them. Ctrl F and search for lorem, and you will locate where it is to start editing. So let me just search for where it is now, and once I found it, I will start editing them. So I think I found it here. This is the lorem something something here. So this is it right here. All I have to do is to edit them, and then I'll add my own right here. So the same thing is what we're going to be doing. The same thing goes over to the sign up link. Click here, look for the sign up link right here, and then you have to add your own link here. Okay, so if you click on Ctrl F now, then you'll be able to find the sign up link and about us page. You can edit everything right here from zero, and even the get $750. I'm the one that edited all of them here, and as you can see the sign up. Okay, I can search for the sign up, Ctrl F, and I can search for sign up. Okay, so sign up now. Let me look for the sign up button here. Okay, so look at it here, sign up. This is sign up section. Okay, CTA button, blah blah blah, sign up. Okay, so if you added a direct to this page, you'll be able to sign up and then add your link right there, and everything is here as you can see now. And then all you have to do is to click here that says publish, and your website will be live. So this is how simple it is. Just make sure you add your affiliate link right here. As you can see this one now, if I click here to edit this, I can go down here and I click here. Let me just bring this down so I can be able to edit. Can click on this, click here, click on this HTML, and I will locate this continue button right here, and I'll show you my affiliate link. Okay, so I go down here. This is my link right here. This link will be directed once you click on this continue button. As you can see, it has a direct link right here. If you don't have a direct link, just tell ChatGPT, come over, paste the code here, and tell ChatGPT to redirect this thing, rewrite the code, and add it a direct link form. Okay, and it will generate it for you. All you have to do again is to just copy and then paste, and everything will be done. So guys, make sure you choose a good offer for this. After you have done with everything, all you have to do again is to click here that says publish, and then everything is done, and the next thing is to start promoting them. So that is how simple it is to make this type of thing. And if you love this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. So goodbye.